Hey, do you feel that God has something more for you, something more for your family, something more for your business, but you're not sure what that more is or how to take your next steps? Well, if that's you, then this is the right place for you. Hi, my name is Ann Visser. I'm a John Maxwell certified coach, speaker, and trainer, and I'm co-founder of For Better Forever. This is the place to be to discover and to pursue the purposes and plans that God has for you with confidence and with clarity. You know, I understand the doubt and the uncertainty that you may be feeling. You see, I was just like you. After my 5 kids grew up and left home, I faced a big transition. I love being a mom. I can remember sitting in my comfy chair in my house, where I call it my thinking chair, and it's where I do my devotions and my praying, and I prayed this simple prayer. I prayed, Lord, you've made me a mom, and I know it's not for nothing. Help me to find my next steps. And that prayer was the beginning of a new journey of discovery. And that was 20 years ago now. Oh, almost, over 20 years. Since then, I've worked with many women, helping them to discover and to pursue God's purpose for their lives. Now, that's what this free live workshop in September is all about. And I want to invite you. I'm going to share with you the simple 5-part framework that I created to take away the doubt, uncertainty, and the overwhelm about those next steps. It's going to be a really practical workshop because I love it practical. We're going to give you bite-sized applications that you can implement each day. So be sure to join the wait list below as soon as this video is done so that you can get all the juicy details about this free workshop, because it's going to be really, really, really good, and I don't want you to miss out. Bye for now.